Title: Boost Your Confidence, How to Thicken Semen with the Best Powerful Diet and Remedy. Introduction. Have you ever wondered about the factors that can enhance your sexual health and confidence? One such aspect that often goes unnoticed is the thickness of semen. Thick semen is not only a sign of good reproductive health but can also enhance sexual pleasure for both partners. In this article, we'll explore the best powerful diet and remedy to thicken semen, ensuring a satisfying and fulfilling experience in the bedroom. Understanding semen thickness. Before delving into the best powerful diet and remedy for thickening semen, it's essential to understand what semen thickness signifies. Semen is composed of various fluids, including spermatozoa and seminal plasma. The thickness of semen is influenced by factors such as hydration levels, diet, lifestyle, and overall health. Thick semen is often associated with increased fertility and improved sexual performance. Importance of diet in semen thickness. Your diet plays a crucial role in determining the thickness and quality of your semen. Consuming a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients can significantly impact your reproductive health. When focusing on how to thicken semen, incorporating specific foods into your diet can make a noticeable difference. Best powerful diet and remedy for thicker semen. 1. Hydration. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining optimal semen thickness. Dehydration can lead to thicker semen consistency, whereas drinking plenty of water ensures a smoother flow. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your body hydrated and your semen fluid. 2. Nutrient-rich foods. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet is essential for semen production and thickness. Foods high in zinc, such as oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds, promote healthy sperm production and contribute to thicker semen. Additionally, foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits and bell peppers, can improve sperm motility and semen quality. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are beneficial for semen thickness. These healthy fats support overall reproductive health and can help maintain optimal semen consistency. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for semen production. Dark leafy greens, berries, and carrots are particularly beneficial for improving semen quality and thickness. 5. Avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine. Excessive alcohol consumption and caffeine intake can negatively impact semen quality and thickness. Limiting alcohol and caffeine intake can help maintain optimal reproductive health and ensure thicker semen consistency. 6. Herbal supplements. Certain herbal supplements, such as ashwagandha and maca root, have been traditionally used to improve male fertility and semen quality. These supplements may help enhance semen thickness when incorporated into a balanced diet and lifestyle. Remedy for thicker semen. In addition to following a nutrient-rich diet, certain remedies can further enhance semen thickness. One such remedy is regular exercise, which improves blood flow to the reproductive organs and promotes overall sexual health. Stress management techniques, such as meditation and yoga, can also help maintain optimal semen consistency. Moreover, adequate sleep is crucial for reproductive health and semen production. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support semen thickness and overall well-being. Conclusion. Achieving thicker semen is not only beneficial for reproductive health but can also enhance sexual pleasure and confidence. By following a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients and incorporating lifestyle remedies, you can improve semen thickness and enjoy a satisfying and fulfilling sexual experience. Remember to stay hydrated, consume nutrient-rich foods, and prioritize overall health for optimal semen quality and thickness. With the best powerful diet and remedy, you can boost your confidence and sexual vitality in the bedroom. Title: How to Thicken Semen, Ayurvedic Medicine for Natural Enhancement. Introduction. In the realm of men's health, concerns about semen thickness and volume often arise. Whether it's for fertility reasons, sexual satisfaction, or just overall well-being, many individuals seek solutions. One avenue gaining attention is Ayurvedic medicine. In this article, we delve into the realm of Ayurveda to explore natural methods on how to thicken semen with Ayurvedic medicine. Understanding semen thickness. Before diving into Ayurvedic remedies, it's essential to comprehend what semen thickness signifies. Semen consistency can vary among individuals due to factors like diet, hydration levels, and overall health. Thicker semen is often associated with increased fertility and sexual satisfaction. Now, let's explore how Ayurvedic medicine can play a role in enhancing semen thickness. Ayurvedic principles. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine, focuses on holistic well-being, emphasizing the balance of mind, body, and spirit. When it comes to semen thickness, Ayurvedic practitioners believe in addressing underlying imbalances in the body rather than merely treating symptoms. This holistic approach is fundamental in understanding how to thicken semen with Ayurvedic medicine. Herbal remedies. Ayurveda harnesses the power of nature through various herbs known for their medicinal properties. Several herbs are renowned for their potential to improve semen quality and thickness. Shatavari, ashwagandha, and saft musli are among the prominent herbs used in Ayurvedic formulations to enhance semen thickness. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can be a natural way to address concerns about semen consistency. Diet and lifestyle. In Ayurveda, diet and lifestyle play pivotal roles in maintaining overall health, including reproductive health. To complement Ayurvedic remedies for semen thickness, focus on a balanced diet rich in nutrient-dense foods. Avoid processed foods and excessive consumption of stimulants like caffeine and alcohol, as they can negatively impact semen quality. Additionally, practicing stress-reducing techniques such as yoga and meditation can further support Ayurvedic efforts to thicken semen. Ayurvedic practices. Apart from herbal remedies and lifestyle adjustments, Ayurveda advocates specific practices to promote semen thickness. Abhyanga, the practice of self-massage using herbal oils, is believed to improve circulation and rejuvenate reproductive organs. Additionally, Ayurvedic therapies like panchakarma cleanse the body of toxins, promoting overall well-being, including reproductive health. Integrating these practices into your routine can complement Ayurvedic medicine's approach to enhancing semen thickness. Consultation and individualized treatment. While Ayurvedic remedies offer natural solutions, it's essential to consult with a qualified practitioner before starting any new regimen. Ayurveda recognizes that each individual is unique, and treatments should be tailored to address specific imbalances. A consultation with an Ayurvedic expert can provide personalized guidance on how to thicken semen using Ayurvedic medicine while considering your overall health and well-being. Safety and precautions. When exploring Ayurvedic remedies for semen thickness, ensure you source high-quality herbs and supplements from reputable suppliers. Additionally, be mindful of any existing health conditions or medications that may interact with Ayurvedic remedies. While Ayurveda is generally considered safe when practiced correctly, it's essential to proceed with caution and seek professional guidance if needed. Conclusion. In the quest for enhancing semen thickness and overall reproductive health, Ayurvedic medicine offers a holistic approach rooted in centuries-old wisdom. By addressing underlying imbalances through herbal remedies, lifestyle modifications, and traditional practices, individuals can naturally support semen quality and thickness. Remember, consult with a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner to embark on a journey towards improved reproductive well-being. With the principles of Ayurveda as your guide, discover how to thicken semen with Ayurvedic medicine and embrace holistic wellness.